This is how you cut an onion. Cut an end off. Cut another end off. Peel that side off. All that in the bin. Chuck it in the trash. Now, you see a lot of people cut them in half and then do these weird cuts this way. No, you don't need to do that. It's already scored for you. It's already got these half moons. So we're just gonna cut it this way, and then use those half moons and go around the onion like this. Because I don't like cutting towards myself. Boom. Candle. Is that good? Easy diced onion. Thumbs up.